I'm Robin with Rainbow Gardens, and today we are going to talk about crepe myrtles and how to trim them. Around town we're seeing a lot of crepe murder, and basically what that means is that somebody just takes the top right off of their crepe myrtle instead of going around and trimming it up properly. So I am here with Evan, and he is going to show us how to properly trim. He's taking off all of the dead stuff, anything shooting out, any of the little pieces. Now, why wouldn't you just chop it down like this? Well, then it starts coming out in clumps and it does not look right. You need to shape it, you need to make it look beautiful for your yard. Although, you know, we do see all over town people doing that, but that is not the proper way to have your crepe myrtle trimmed up. So this is a sale plant, I do want to mention. So we are not going to cut this ourselves. We will probably recommend this to whoever buys it. So you see here, these two are crossing. Now this is a sale plant, so we are not going to trim this ourselves today, but whoever buys this, we're going to let them know. And the reason that you're wanting to do that is because you need to have proper air circulation through here. It is going to need to focus its energy, and you want it to focus its energy on areas where it can actually thrive. And you want to cut a lot of this dead stuff off, so it is not trying to revive that. We want to stick with these good, healthy trunks. We want to stay with that, and then trim it where it is needed, not just a blanket, you know, zoop off the top and you're done. And that will make a much healthier, more beautiful plant. So we're really wanting that airflow to be coming through here. We want sunlight to come through here. So what you need to do is clip all these sticks off, so that way you can get the proper air circulation and sunlight. It also helps prevent diseases because the air can flow through that way, and you'll just have a beautiful crepe myrtle. It'll be nice and tall and full on the top, as it should be. One thing that I do want to mention is look at your labels, look at your tags, research what size, how tall they get. Because if you're not one that's going to want to do a lot of pruning, you're not going to want one that's super tall where you're going to have to go get a ladder and everything. So look and see what variety you're getting before you actually purchase it. And do not commit crepe murder. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.